friends, I'm at Pond Park and it's a beautiful, wonderful Saturday. I am just walking down the Pond Park and it's not raining and it's amazing. So just check it out. Actually, these days, I have got such erratic schedules. I don't know how I'm functioning also. And that also, it is like, it's not that I'm getting or gaining something out of it. It's just my branding is becoming solid day by day. See, look at this. Check this out. So fresh and so beautiful. Just see this. If I take it in any angle, it looks very, very beautiful because it's raining. So that's why. So that way. And basically, what has happened when people appreciate my work and they're not like I'm doing, like it's like they feel little horrible because I'm giving them quality work and how it is. Then they are then the payment comes in, and then they're feeling very awkward about the whole thing, like. It's very empty and it's really nice. See this. इसके पीछे भागने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं. Wonderful, amazing, fabulous. This is because of the rains. I came here to shoot because it is so beautiful. It is so gorgeous. It is so green. It is so wonderful. All you can do is keep walking like this next to the water body. Guys, I'm actually 50 kgs at the moment when I'm shooting this. The look is exceptionally fabulous. Oh, can you check out? You can check out the lotus. It's amazing. It's beautiful. The whole thing looks outstanding. Check this out. Now we'll go slowly here. Here there is no railing, so I cannot be walking over here. But you can see this. So it's like beautiful. It's got like lotus and all that kind of things. Come, walk with me. Good morning, sir. कैसे हो? First class. See you. You know why I did that? I did that purposely. Is this? He's the so-called, and I had a big fight with him, the head of this crazies. People don't expect me to be like this, I am working with all these government officials. इनका सर पारा चढ़ा रहता है. I don't know why they think what they think of themselves. Can you see this? Isn't this wonderful, amazing, fantastic, fantabulous? scream and shout at people, because not only do they waste time, but they look down upon women. It's a fact. And when I'm doing my work, I speak to the management level people, and when on the top of the tops. And अगर मेरे एक word के ऊपर credibility है, means it's so important. And if anybody is wasting my time, then they are government officials or whoever. I call them up and give them good. Literally yell at them. Like I was doing this to the head of the crazies. I told him left, right, and center. You please do not throw your attitude on me. और ये क्या सोचते हैं कि लॉ एंड ऑर्डर में है तो किसी को भी किससे कैसे भी ट्रीट करेंगे जाके. It's so gorgeous. बिग बॉस का प्रमोशन किया है. 7 Hills. I'm really telling you all people, if you all want to do authentic branding, you don't have to be like, suppose if somebody offers me to do whitewashing for their organization, I will think twice. Okay, I'll make the money, but I will not be lasting longer. But यहाँ पे, I hope you understand, when I'm beginning and I'm like doing it at my creative force and according to my terms and conditions, so things are working better. So once you establish your brand, then you are in that stronghold to say, yeah, I'm doing this or I'm not doing this. I'm very happy today. See, they're purposely making it very, very loud. Just show you all the. Okay guys, there's a pause in between क्योंकि I'm little like taking a break or something, क्योंकि that's how it is. Wish me luck.